have a new gadgets components here. This is our new package. Let us see the package. This one. We have sets of resistor. Okay. This is a carbon film type resistor. So this is a 3THT through hole technology, and the value of the resistor is 1.5K. 10 pieces. It is used to protect the components, other components from overheating, minimize current, protector in a circuit or LED. So this is carbon film type resistor, 1.5 kilo ohms, 10 pieces. Then we have 51R carbon film resistor, 51 ohms. R means ohms. 10 pieces. Then we have 2.7K kilo ohms resistor again. Then we have 1.8 kilo ohms. Then 10K kilo ohms carbon film type. This is 20 pieces times 2. One order equivalent to 10 pieces. So we have 20 pieces. 510 ohms. 510 ohms up. And then 100 kilo ohms times 2. We are ordering two orders because it is a frequently used resistor, just like the 10K 100K. Yeah, that is a frequently used. And then 270K, and then 1.2 kilo ohms, and then we have 47K frequently used, always using this type of resistor. 47K, 100K. It is in demand while building a circuit. And then how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 orders of carbon film type resistor. And then we have this. This is 12 volts. 12 volts LED. Use, so you can see here, there's a double-sided tape, 3M. For motorcycle, 12 volts. DC, 12 volts. The color, red. And it is used for motorcycle and piso Wi-Fi as a backlighting. For just like also used in signboard as a backlighting design, visual display design. Then we have 2 IC. This is, I think this is TDA2822. This is low voltage power audio amplifier IC. Let us see the look. It is 8 pins. TDA. Oh, this one. TDA2822. So 8 pins IC, low cost, low voltage power audio amplifier IC. It is what type of amplifier? Class AB. So low distortion type of amplifier in IC form, Class AB. And we can supply a voltage of about 1.8 to 15 volts, and can support stereo when designing the amplifier. We can design this stereo output with a power of 1.7 to 1.8 per channel watts, 1.8 watts, at the supply of 9 to 12 volts using speaker of 4 to 8 ohms. And this is the audio amplifier, Class AB type, TDA2822M. We're going to use for our upcoming project. Then we have this. This is kit. So a kit is composed of components with sometimes with manual and then the PCB. All we have to do is to solder the equipments, or I mean the components, into the board. Just like this one. This is a full bridge rectifier using 1N4007 diode. That is the diode. This one is the LED, and then resistor, and then the capacitor, electrolytic with polarity sign, and then the 2 terminal block, okay, is for the AC, and then this one is DC out. What is the use of this full bridge rectifier? And let us see the components here. You can see here we have 4 sets, okay, with 2 terminal block for the AC and DC out. Then the capacitor for 70 35 volts, for 70 microfarad 35 volts. Okay, we have the other only. Okay, we have complete sets of diode here, or diode. And then we have the resistor as indicated in the diagram or in the PCB design. And then with the LED as some output LED. We're going to solder these components to the board, so that we can convert. What is the purpose of this full bridge rectifier? To convert AC, alternating current, to 20 volts or 24 volts from 220 transformer, 220 volts into what? It depends on the transformer we're going to use, but the transformer we're going to use is 12 volts. So 12 volts DC, from 220 volts AC to 12 volts. Converting the alternating current into direct current. That is the main purpose of full bridge rectifier. And let us see the manual. It's Chinese. I don't have translation for this. And then that is the DC out. So this one is arranging full bridge rectifier. Okay, 24 volts I convert into DC, and then 470. The capacitor here is serve as filter capacitor, and then the LED here with the 2K limiting resistor is serve as the output. So the output here is connected to the DC out. So you can see here. So diode here is 4 pieces. It is light emitting diode, or the LED D5 1. Resistor 1, J1, J2, 2. That is J1 is the terminal block. And then capacitor 35 volts. So this is our package.